EQUA calculates your daily water needs based on your body and lifestyle. It glows every time you should take a sip of water and a moment for yourself. The bottle is designed to communicate with you. It allows you to check your hydration progress with a smart gesture on the bottle. You can find even more of your hydration insights in the app. Carry your EQUA bottle everywhere, and the double wall insulation will keep the water cold or hot wherever you go. It's made of stainless steel and comes with a real marble top.
Meet the HYDRADE bottle, a revolution in hydration technology. An insulated water bottle meets a smartphone. With user-friendly software, HYDRATE makes it easy to sync to your smart devices. Just pair it once and you're good to go anywhere your adventures take you. The HYDRATE bottle is BPA-free with double-walled construction and no buttons, which makes it safe for kids and the wear and tear they tend to dish out. The HYDRATE bottle measures your hydration intake and uses the information to match donate clean water to those in need through our collaboration with the nonprofit Charity Water. The uniquely integrated solar cell design allows the HYDRATE bottle to automatically charge when exposed to light to maintain Bluetooth connectivity to all your devices and third-party apps, like Fitbit and the Apple Watch. No charging cable or base is ever needed. HYDRATE keeps beverages ice cold for 22 hours and hot for up to 13 hours. And it's powered by solar energy. HYDRATE's unique sensor is totally different from the other smart bottles. It knows if you're drinking the water yourself or pouring it out for your best friend. The vast majority of humans are chronically dehydrated, which can lead to numerous health concerns. HYDRATE's drink tracking sensor makes it the perfect solution for people who need to increase their daily water intake and keep their body in optimal shape. The most basic element of human life can be paired with the unique, innovative, patent-pending smart bottle technology. With your new HYDRATE bottle, you never need to go thirsty again.
Drinking enough water is very important for our health. We track our daily activity and body weight, but we don't have a device to record our water intake. It will be changed by MOIKID Seed. Seed is a smart bottle, elegant and portable, that tracks your water intake. It also reminds you when you forget to drink water. Seed can measure the water temperature with just a touch. It also tracks the drink storage time. If the drinks are unfit for drinking, there will be a warning. All of these benefit from a brand new technology. Air Elastic, based on air physics, safe, powerful, and convenient. Seed consumes very little power. It runs for more than 1 year. Not need to charge. Seed makes you love drinking water, like some games in the app. Challenge your friends to reduce consumption of plastic bottles by drinking water. Making life healthy, fun, and eco-friendly. Seed can do more for you. It can also connect to Apple Health and some other apps. Seed is vacuum bottle that keeps drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Optimize your health with MOIKID Seed. It is our vision that Seed Smart Bottle will make everyone's life easier and healthier. Seed needs your support. Join us. Keep healthy.
In our fast-paced and stressful modern life, it's increasingly more difficult for people to pay attention to their health. People monitor their physical exercise, sleep quality, and caloric intake, but often overlook one of the most important factors to health: their water intake. MINIMON G1 Smart Bottle is a mobile app-enabled water bottle that can simplify and personalize your hydration monitoring. Forged with 304 stainless steel, MINIMON is made from the highest quality steel for food consumption. Our laminated copper plating process allows MINIMON Smart Bottle to retain hot liquids for up to 24 hours and cold liquids for up to 12 hours. With MINIMON, you can set up a personalized alarm clock to remind you to drink water or take your medication on time. MINIMON is a smart thermos that can intelligently monitor the water temperature in the bottle. Refer to its display color, red, orange, green, which indicates whether the temperature is safe for consumption. MINIMON Smart Bottle brings you a personalized drinking experience. Track and monitor your daily drinking activity via our mobile app to maintain a healthy hydration habit. MINIMON is fashionable, lightweight, easy to carry. Our G1 model has a water capacity of 16.9 ounces, or 500 milliliters. Let MINIMON help develop a healthy water drinking habit for you. MINIMON Smart Bottle is stylish and affordable. Get started with an easier way to a healthier future.
To save our planet, health, and to get comfort, our team designed nature's hug bottle that is free from BPA and other toxins. It's the world's smartest solution to purify water, self-cleaning, and the best is freedom from bottle stinking. This bottle has the ability to clean itself. With the UVC technology, NHUG gives you pure water, which is 99.99% bacteria-free. NHUG is easy to carry and stylish in look. Our busy life schedules sometimes don't allow us to take the required quantity of water from clean bottles, as it's hard to keep bottles clean and they start stinking. NHUG offers a 3-wall insulated feature that helps it to keep water hot for 15 hours and cold up to 25 hours. It's a smart water bottle that gives you the ability to track your water consumption with a mobile application and help you to stay hydrated. What else can you expect from your water bottle? We need your support to make this bottle available soon in the market. And this will help us to save our lives from plastic damage.